How many of you in the room were told, buy a house, it's a good deal? It's not a good deal, man. If it was such a good deal, why did 80 million people lose their house in the last cycle? Okay? Let me tell you what that was a good deal for. It was good for the banks. The bank says, we need to lend money. We have a lot of money. Let's lend money. We make money up. We get $1,000 from Grant. We lend it out 8 times. What can we lend people money on? Let's lend them money on a house. What we'll do, we got to sell it though. You deserve, what should we call it? Should we call it the house that you paint and you put a roof on and you mow the grass and you're stuck there for years? No. We should call it the American dream. That's what we'll do. We'll call it the American dream, and we'll lend out hundreds of millions of people. We'll get them indebted on one location. Why don't we do this? Why don't we add that this is the perfect retirement and savings account? How many are told that deal? I want to own my own home one day. How many have been working for that? Dude, that's not what you want. You want a business that makes money, okay? See, you want a business that cranks money. That should be your dream. That's what you should be going to sleep with. You and your wife, you and your husband shouldn't be talking about where you're going to live. You should be talking about where you're going to go. Dude, hey, where are the kids going to go to school? Homeschool them on a plane at 40,000 feet. Dream, man. Dream. Just because your parents couldn't dream doesn't mean you can't. Okay? Oh man, I want to get a nice little house, and I want to have my little mat, my little doormat. Welcome to the Trulios. We're happy here. You ain't happy there, dude. You're stuck. Quit lying to yourself. Okay? Quit lying to yourself. When you're sitting thinking about, okay, do we get rid of HBO and keep Netflix, or do we keep Netflix and get rid of HBO? Which one do we do? Okay, that's stupid. You're a slave. I know this is hard to hear, but this is what you need to hear. Because you don't taste it in the back of your throat the way I do. I don't like being able to not pay for something. I don't want money for the sake of money. I've never wanted money for the sake of money, okay? Money for the sake of money doesn't make me happy, but the ability to use money to solve problems gives me options. And it gives me freedom. Would you agree? Right? I don't want to worry about paying the guy money. Here's your $60. I didn't want to wait on the Uber or the cab. I'm like, here, dude, there was a limo there. Here, how much you need? I need $60 to go. Okay, here's 60. I don't want to worry about it. I spent my whole life worried about $60. And when you're worried about $60 for the limo, you can't go get the $60,000 that you deserve.